Hey guys, I'm here at Dorsey Knob Park, Morgantown, West Virginia. I'm going to take you guys up to the Skyrock and show you a view from miles and miles around. And I better get tons of likes and views on this video because that is a steep climb. I don't want to do it, but I'll do it to get a good video. I was going to film over here. It's really quiet, but there's a nice mural over here. I thought I was gonna film that first. Check it out. So I thought this was pretty cool, so I was gonna come over and film it. Look at this. Yeah, that right there gives you about an idea on the view. Making my way up to climb the Skyrock. It's been a few years since I've climbed up there, so it's gonna take me a while. You guys gotta give me a break. I'm dreading it. Oh well. Plus, it's hot out here. Every time I film these vlogs, it's like 90 degrees. And that's why they've been so short, because I just can't take the heat. Well, here we go. Whew. Not too bad of a climb, but there it is. Oh, I'm out of breath already. I made it to the top. I'm out of breath. See, it must have been a while since I've been up here because I don't remember that. I remember just climbing up on it back in the day. But check out this view. Now, according to this chart here, should be able to see all the way out to my house. We won't see my house. It's 18 miles away. And the distance there, they had a scope. Probably see out that way, huh? And it's real hazy out today, so it's really making it hard to see. Plus, a lot more trees than I remember. Walk up on the platform here. Ooh. Don't want to fall down there. Try to zoom in there some for you. I don't know how good my zoom quality is on here. We'll find out. rock itself is pretty impressive. It's pretty wild. It is covered with engravings. That's awesome. Well, now I gotta go back down. Oh man, I'm just sweating and exhausted. Oh. Go sit in the car with the air conditioner on full blast for a while. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. It was pretty cool coming up here again. Haven't been up here in years. So, hope you enjoyed it. Click like. Stay tuned for more videos. Try to get more of them out as soon as I can. Thanks.